Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It's actually morning, but we are going to get started on our Norwegian bookmark lesson. So, we've got animals, food, and people that are kind of messed up here. We could either refresh those, or restore them, or go on to family 2. Let's go ahead and restore these. So, let's get started here. Let me make sure this is recording. Alright, the duck is eating. Anden spiser. Okay. It is recording sound.
Elgen drikker vann.
Elgen drikker vann. The moose is drinking water. Oh, this is recording my mic as well. Don't want that on. A horse. En hest.
En elg.
A moose. A bear.
En bjørn.
En bjørn. En bjørn.
Elgen spiser noe.
The moose is eating something. Elgen spiser noe. The animal likes rice. Dialect. Like ris. Like, oh, it's
Elgen
1K.
spiser et eple.
The moose is eating an apple. The animal drinks water. Dialect. Drikkevann.
En bjørn.
A bear. In bjorn. The bird is eating bread. Fuglen spiser brød. A moose.
En elg.
En elg.
En hund.
En hund. A dog. The boy has a horse. No, Barnet is kid. Gutten har en hest.
Fuglen drikker.
The bird is drinking. He must be at a party. The animal is eating. Direct. Spiser.
Gutten har en hest.
Sit. The boy has a horse. The bird is eating rice. Fuglen spiser ris. Hard exercise. A dog. And hund. The girl buys a spider. Girl is jente. I believe is the definitive form. Jente. Schupa. I don't know how to spell. I know it's Schupa. Oh, yeah, Schupa. That's different than what I would have spelled. Buys a spider and Ederkop. Is it 1D or 2? Ederkop. I think it's 1. Oh, it's 2. Okay. Hey, perfect lesson. Boom, that's what I'm talking about. There we go. All right. Food. My favorite. I am making pasta. Jeg er making. That'd be cooking. Lager. I wouldn't have got that. Lager pasta. Yeah. Oh.
Har du en tomat?
Do you have a tomato? Lend Oscar a cup of sugar. The boy gutten og jenta spise cheese. Cheese. Ost. Yeah, that's right. Ost.
Vi spiser ikke fisk.
We do not eat. Yes. That's weird.
En kylling.
Usually fish. if you-
Jenta spiser pepper.
The girl is eating pepper. Oh, excuse me. The girl is eating pepper. Jenta spiser pepper. We eat food. Vi spiser mat.
Vi spiser pasta og suppe.
Vi spiser pasta og suppe. We eat pasta and soup. Oh yeah, that okay, yeah, that would work too. If anyone that knows Norwegian sees this, please let me know how I'm doing on my pronunciation. To me, it sounds like I'm pronouncing things mostly right, but you know how if you don't natively speak the language, you don't hear certain sounds and you don't catch how you're saying things. So please let me know how I'm doing. I would really appreciate just a reality check here. Okay, so we are making breakfast. Vi lager... Oh, it's frokost. Yeah, nice.
Jeg trenger en tomat.
I need a tomato. Jeg trenger en tomat.
Vi lager frokost.
Vi lager frokost. We are making breakfast.
Jeg elsker mat.
I love food. Heck yeah, I love food.
Har vi pepper?
Do we have pepper? We? Do we have pepper? Oops. Pepper.
Mannen spiser ikke pasta.
Inne. Mannen spiser ikke pasta. The man does not eat pasta. That's something I don't really like. Pasta's good sometimes. Like, I don't love it. People seem to be like really crazy about pasta. I don't get it. It's just a noodle, right? Like, it depends on what you put it with. You just want to eat noodles plain with nothing on it. It's the stuff on it that you probably like. Not
En
the noodle.
kylling.
Whatever. The chicken. A chicken. Ooh. That was close.
Det er pepper.
Det er pepper. It is pepper. It is pepper. Trust me. I checked.
Vi spiser mat.
Vi spiser mat. We eat food.
Hun lager tomatsuppe.
She is making... Ooh, I love tomato soup.
Jeg spiser kylling og fisk.
I eat chicken and fish. If you're gonna eat animals, chicken and fish is the way to go. They're dumb as heck. Pigs and cows are just, they're too smart. Makes me feel bad a little bit. That's why I hardly ever eat pork. Extremely rarely. I don't remember the last time I ate pork. I eat beef pretty regularly, but I have cut back on that too.
Bjørnen liker fisk.
The bear likes fish. The bear likes fish. I am making pasta. Jeg lager pasta. Oh, that's that first one I messed up on, yeah. Okay. Alright, food. Nailed that one. People, restore. Who has it? Hvem har det? Hvem har den? Oh, here we go.
Ser du ham?
Do you see hum? Do you see him? Okay, hum. Do you see him? See, I've made a lot of assumptions based on English grammar, like function, the sentence, where it is, like, is it the object or prepositional phrase, definitive, and a lot of those seem to be breaking down, and I think it doesn't seem like they have like the same grammar rules, which would, I mean, make sense, the different language. I think if I learn some of the grammar, it would help. Unless it's just all gender based and it's just like, oh, you just have to memorize it. That would be a bummer, but yeah. We are drinking it. Vi trinker den. Den. Okay, yeah. Dricker. Oh, drinker. Oh. I think drink in German is tricker with a T. That's why I'm getting it mixed
Han
up.
elsker henne.
Han elsker henne. He loves her. Aww. Who likes me? Nobody, unfortunately. That's, like, my? Okay, yeah.
Han liker henne.
He likes her. The boy is eating it. Okay. Gutten spiser them. Den. Dem.
Jeg trenger dem.
I need them. Oh. Det. Ja. Det liker den.
Ulven spiser meg.
Ulven spiser meg. One of my favorite Norwegian words. The wolf. The wolf. Oh. This took a downward turn. The wolf eats me? Oh. Huh. Okay. Jeg trenger dem. Okay.
Hvem liker henne?
Who likes her? Det liker oss.
Han liker dere.
He likes
Dere.
you. Dere. What? He likes you. Oh. Oh, I've done that more times than I care to admit. Who likes us? Hvem liker oss?
Hun liker ham.
Hun liker ham. Who likes him? Oh, hun. Ah, damn it. I'm just going too fast. The bear. Bjornen. That's a great word, and it fits so well. Bear. Bjorn. Bjorn. It sounds like the sound a bear makes. Bjorn. 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 Yeah. I haven't had enough coffee, sorry. I'm being stupid. The bear is eating him. Oh no. Bjornen spiser ham. I bet he wishes it was a ham and not him.
Hvem liker oss?
Hvem liker oss? Who likes us?
Hvem elsker dere?
Who likes... Oh, who loves you? Who loves you?
Hva viser du meg?
What? Visa. See. Is that see?
Viser.
Oh. Excuse me. Showing. That's right. See is see. Visa is active showing. What? What are you showing? Va Visa. What? Showing you me. What showing you me? What are you showing me? Showing. What are you showing me? Who has it? Them? Harden. Den? Because it's at the end of the sentence or something? It's not debt.
Han
Okay.
liker dere.
He likes you. Shucks.
Hun liker ham.
She likes him. Oh, she's gonna have to fight me for him. She likes him. Yeah. Ah. Boom. There we go. I think we're right on 16 minutes. Heck yeah. Continue. All right. Okay. I'm going to stop all this recording and throw it up on YouTube real quick. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. I'm trying to get these going again. I know last time I said, oh, I'll get it up tomorrow, and it was like a week, but yeah, I'm gonna try to get these out more regularly, but yeah, hopefully it will actually be more regularly here soon. So thank you for watching. Be sure to be kind to someone today, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.